Are you looking to earn some extra cash in your spare time but don't want the hassle of dealing with a demanding boss who's constantly breathing down your neck, telling you when to clock in, when to take a break, or even when to use the bathroom? Well, today is your lucky day, because I'm here to share 10 legitimate websites that allow you to get paid daily and work whenever you want. And even if you don't have a boss, but just want the flexibility to work on your own terms, these websites can help you make money on your schedule. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover these fantastic opportunities to earn some extra income on your own terms. Welcome back to our channel, and we're on a mission to help you live your life with delightful freedom. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our awesome content. And if you're excited to explore these income-generating websites, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let's dive right in. 1. Trymata. Get paid for usability testing. Our first stop is Trymata, a usability testing platform where you can get paid to provide feedback on websites and apps. Formerly known as TryMyUI, Trymata offers PayPal payments every weekday. As a tester, your job is to use websites and apps just as you would in real life, all while voicing your thoughts and any frustrations out loud. This helps site developers understand the user experience. Simply create a free account, fill in the necessary details, and you can start earning $10 or more per test. Tests are relatively short, and there's no limit to the number you can complete. Payments are processed through PayPal and are typically sent out in the morning after your tests have been reviewed and accepted. 2. ClearVoice, freelance platform for content creators. ClearVoice is a freelance platform that connects content creators with businesses seeking their services. To join, create a profile that showcases your expertise, including skills like copy editing, SEO specialization, ghostwriting, video editing, and more. The great thing about ClearVoice is that you get to set your own rates and select assignments that meet your pay criteria. Once your assignment is approved, you'll receive payments via PayPal. There's no need to deal with invoices. Streamlines the payment process. You decide when and how much you want to work, giving you the flexibility to earn money on your own schedule. 3. Course Hero. Tutor and earn up to $15,000 per month. Course Hero is a platform where you can make money by becoming an online tutor. Students seek help with their coursework, and you can provide assistance in a wide range of subjects. Some of Course Hero's top tutors have been earning over $15,000 per month. To become a tutor, sign up on their website, provide your academic credentials, and start answering homework questions and providing solutions. You can earn money based on the number of questions you answer. Payments are processed through PayPal, and the platform has a straightforward application process. So if you have expertise in a particular subject, Course Hero can be a lucrative way to make money in your free time. 4. Cambly. Get paid to chat in English. Cambly offers a unique way to earn money by conversing with people in English. You can help non-native English speakers improve their language skills through casual conversations. Cambly pays you per minute for your chat sessions, which translates to $10.20 per hour. If you specialize in teaching kids, the rate goes up to $12 per hour. The platform is flexible, allowing you to tutor at any time that suits you. Cambly transfers your earnings via PayPal every Monday, making it an ideal way to make extra income on your own schedule. 5. Gigwalk. Find quick jobs in your area. Gigwalk is a mobile app that connects you with quick job opportunities in your local area. You can complete various tasks or gigs for clients looking for assistance. Gigs can range from just a few minutes to several hours, and you can earn anywhere from $3 to $100 per gig. What makes Gigwalk even more attractive is its straightforward payment system, with payments transferred via PayPal. You can complete jobs while you're out and about, making it a perfect choice for those who live in urban areas. Download the app, sign up, and start browsing available gigs to make money in your free time. 6. TaskRabbit. Complete various tasks and get paid. TaskRabbit is another mobile app that helps you find work, such as home repairs and errands. As a tasker, you can get paid for helping people with a wide range of tasks. TaskRabbit gives you the freedom to choose the tasks you want to work on and set your own schedule. Clients hire you based on your skills, and you receive payments once your assignment is approved. There are no messy invoices or waiting periods, and you can get paid through PayPal. TaskRabbit is an excellent platform for those who want to be their own boss and work on their own terms. 7. Dolly. Earn money helping people move and transport. Dolly is an app that allows you to make money by helping people move and transport items. If you have a truck or can lift over 75 pounds, you can earn an average of $50 per hour. Even if you don't have a truck, you can become a hand and assist helpers, making an average of $35 per hour. Dolly operates in several cities, and you can build your own delivery service using the app. You get paid twice a week, and top earners can make over $1,000 per week. Dolly offers flexibility, allowing you to choose when and how much you want to work. 8. Field Agent. Get paid for completing tasks. Field Agent is an app that allows you to make money by completing various tasks, such as taking photos and sharing your opinions. Brands and retailers use Field Agent to gather information about products and store displays. You can participate in audits, online surveys, mystery shopping, and more. Each task pays you a different amount, and you can earn money quickly. Payments are processed through PayPal, and you have the opportunity to make real cash while shopping or completing tasks in your area. 9. Ibotta. Earn cashback while shopping. Ibotta is a cashback app that allows you to earn money while shopping for groceries, essentials, clothing, and more. You can use Ibotta on your computer by adding the browser extension, or you can download the app for your mobile device. When you shop at eligible stores and make qualified purchases, you'll receive real cashback, which can be withdrawn directly to your bank or PayPal account. Ibotta offers a hassle-free way to get money back on your purchases, and you can even earn Amazon gift cards. It's an excellent choice for those who love to shop and save. 10. Foap. Earn money selling your photos and videos. Foap is a platform that allows you to make extra money by selling your photos and videos. You can upload your visual content to your Foap portfolio, and when brands or individuals purchase your work, you'll earn a 50% share of the profit. Foap is user-friendly, and you can take advantage of special missions to increase your earning potential. The platform provides inspiration, and you can participate in contests to boost your income. Foap offers a flexible way to earn money from your existing media on your terms. These websites and apps offer fantastic opportunities to earn extra income and achieve financial freedom while maintaining the flexibility to work on your own schedule. Whether you are looking to become a freelance content creator, a tutor, a gig worker, or a cashback shopper, there's something for everyone. So go ahead, explore these options, and start making money on your own terms. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you're ready to take action and embark on your journey to financial freedom, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more helpful content. If you have any questions or if there's anything you'd like to know more about, please don't hesitate to leave your questions in the comments below. We read and will respond to your comments, and we're here to help. Remember, the power to change your financial future is in your hands. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.